my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa, and today I am going to show you how to make an amazing and detoxifying turmeric lentil soup. This is a simple recipe to make. It is packed with flavor and it's also packed with good for you ingredients, including the ever so amazing turmeric. So as you're watching this video, I am actually in England right now on a trip with Matt, and I filmed this recipe last week when it was blizzarding outside in New York City. So we were getting dumped on by snow, and all I wanted was to eat something warm and cozy, but I also wanted something that was really healthy and that would be really nourishing. So I decided to whip up this delicious soup, and I am so excited to share it with you. I know that you guys are going to love this recipe. It's going to become a winter staple for you, and I can't wait to see all of your recreations. Of course, as always, the full recipe is up on my blog, so you can click the link that's in the description box below and get all of the instructions and ingredients. Of course, there's also more photos. And I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into our recipe. So to start this recipe, we are going to heat some oil. I used avocado oil in a large stock pot or Dutch oven. Then you'll add some onion, some celery, some chopped turnip or regular potato, as well as some sweet potato, and some minced garlic. And then you're just going to saute this all together until everything starts to soften. And this should take about 5 minutes. Then you can add in some flavorings. I'm using crushed red pepper, some sea salt, as well as some dried thyme. And again, just stir this together and saute it until it starts to become a little bit more fragrant, about another 2 minutes. Then we will add in our turmeric and black pepper. And remember to add black pepper because it activates the turmeric, as well as both kinds of lentils. And again, we'll just saute this for a few minutes. Then we will add in our vegetable broth and our water. Bring this mixture to a boil, and then we will cover it and let it simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes until the green lentils have cooked through and the mixture has thickened. Once it's thickened, we can stir in some almond milk, some lemon juice, some fresh spinach. You could also use kale, as well as some chopped fresh herbs. I'm using parsley, but you could also use chives, thyme, oregano, or even cilantro. Stir this all together until the spinach has wilted. And then for some extra flavor, I decided to add in some ginger as well as some cumin. This is optional, but I really liked how it tasted. And then you're ready to serve. This makes an awesome meal prep recipe. It freezes really well and it serves like 6 to 8 people, so it definitely feeds a crowd. And for topping purposes, I love using some thick coconut yogurt. Just adds a nice little tang, as well as a little bit of fresh parsley. And we also added some hot sauce right before we ate it, and it was delicious. I can't wait to hear what you think of this recipe, you guys. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and as always, I would love to see photos if you do end up making it. Please share a photo with me on Instagram by tagging @simplyquinoa or using the hashtag simplyquinoa. And of course, like I mentioned in the beginning, the full recipe is up on the blog, so you can go on over there and check it out. The link is in the description box below for you. I also would love to invite you guys to join our community if you haven't subscribed yet. There is a red button right below this video that says subscribe. You can just tap that button and it will automatically subscribe you. I am here every Tuesday and Friday with brand new videos, and I can't wait to share all of the amazing content I have planned for 2018. So other than that, I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Have a lovely rest of your week and weekend, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!